The location of the hotel was perfect, right in the heart of London, with Leicester Square and Covent Garden on the doorstep and really close to Leicester Square tube station.
The rooms are comfortable but basic. Their /is huge space but no proper table or wardrobe, so it was a lot of unused space. You can / also heat up water to make tea or own coffee, and I still do not understand what the rabbits in the room were for.
Great design with a modern feel. Jessie bathroom taps etc. was a nice touch. Room itself was nice although very small and maybe a touch design over function. The lack of tea-making facilities and the very small storage space was a slight issue.
No storage or countertop in the bathroom. Toilet was not clean. Temp and air circulation in the room was hard to get right. Stuffy. Poor service at breakfast. Staff ignored me and I ended up leaving.
Great location. The staff are also lovely and so helpful. Lovely little rooms, modern with everything you need. The 10th floor of the building is amazing. A restaurant for breakfast in the morning and cocktail bar by night with a beautiful view of the whole of London
Stayed
town.
on the first floor. Very impressed how little traffic noise could be heard. But disappointed that underground trains vibrated through the room.